Hello and welcome back to the Angry Cook. Kind of a delay. There are, and Jade keeps nudging my arm. See, right there. We have a little bit of an issue here and family always comes first. So unfortunately, Angry Cook is taking a little bit of a back seat for me. However, I'm getting one in today for tomorrow. Well, today's Tuesday, tomorrow's Wednesday, yada, yada, yada. It's a recipe my daughter makes. And since we're at her house, we're going to make that. I find it absolutely wonderful. It's just a simple roast in a crock pot. I'm sorry, a slow cooker, to be politically correct. With some red wine and salt, pepper, or seasoning salt, which I found a really nice one from Pampered Chef that just it does wonders for food. I don't know what's in it because of course they hide some of the ingredients, but it's just freaking awesome. Rosemary, we're going to use dried rosemary today because we're going on a slow cooker, not fresh. But you could use fresh if you have it, and I would. I just don't have a whole lot left because I've been using it. And the broth that comes out of this with the drippings from the meat and the red wine and the seasoning, I could just sit there with a spoon and eat it because and I know it's strange, but it just is really good. So we're going to try that in a little bit, and I'm going to put it on to a temp of 140. We have a slow cooker with a temp probe. I'm going to try to measure the time and let you know what that time is. That's the other grandchild. She's angry because I'm not there. Talking to her instead, I'm talking to you. So we're talking to you, and we're going to stop talking because Jade says so, because Jade's right here. I hope you're liking the new logo. I do. We're going to get some wear available. I'm waiting for that. Once again, it's family issues come first, so for all of us. So that may be on the back burner for a few weeks. But enjoy for the unnamed roast. Okay, beginning of the roast. I started seasoning salting it without remembering I was recording, so duh. This is the stuff I was talking about. It's really good. I really like it. Pampered Chef seasoning salt. Sprinkle some of that on top. I'm doing a handheld, we're not doing the stove cam. Using some lemon pepper. I have no idea how big this roast is, by the way. It didn't have a weight with it. But I'm looking at probably about 2.5 pounds is what I'm thinking. We're going to do both sides of this also, by the by. And we're doing one-handed here of the rosemary, dried rosemary. We're going to do a little rub. And then we're going to flip it over, and we're going to do the other side. Lemon pepper, and I'm trying to keep this on target, and I'm not. I'm failing miserably. Ooh, a little more rosemary than I wanted, but who doesn't like rosemary? It's not me, that's for damn sure. We're going to dab the end. I'm going to get the ends and all the stuff we dripped. We're letting this sit a little bit. My wife has run out to get some more red wine, which we are deficient in. So we'll be back in a couple of minutes and get this going. Alright, so we're putting in a cab to go with the cab. Okay. Anyhow, so we're going to add some of this stuff to here. Tara says about an inch or so. I think that's good. Oh, that's half an inch. I don't think that's enough. I think that's better. Anyway, we're going to put the probe in. We're going to cook it to about 140, so we want to go about to get up off the couch. There we go. Right about there. Right in the middle. Oh, we want to do that while the top's on. Damn. Oh well. In the liquid. Crap. In the liquid with the top on. I love this slow cooker. I really do. I like the probe function, which is really kind of stupid because you can't tell where you're putting it, but oh well. Okay, and we're going to put the power on. We're going to do, no, heat setting is high. Now we're doing probe on high. Enter 140, she says. Enter, and we're away. So we're gonna make some, I think some mashed, baked potatoes with this and stuff. So we'll see what it looks like. Check back in a bit. Okay, so we've hit 140 degrees. Let's see what we have here. Pull a little probo out. It smells freaking magnificent. I just blew steam up my lens. So we're going to rest this for 15 minutes, maybe 10 minutes or so, whatever, and prepare the rest of the meal. I think what I should have done was turn that over halfway through. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure I should have done that. Oh, yeah, it'll be good regardless. And the finished product, roast beef, or beef anyway. It's looked like an eye round, and it looks awesome. It's been awesome in the past, and try this one. It's nice and easy. We'll see you next time. And the finished product, roast beef, or beef anyway. It's looked like an eye round, and it looks awesome. It's been awesome in the past, and try this one. It's nice and easy. We'll see you next time.